Hi folks, welcome. I got some great news this morning. I got my slot for the ABR Festival announced. So I'll be appearing on the Royal Enfield Himalayan Masterclass stage at 10:50, which is on the Saturday morning, the 27th of June. I'm delighted with that slot. Hopefully there'll be none of the other big speakers speaking at the same time, otherwise I might be in the tent by myself, speaking away to myself, as I do on a regular basis when I'm on board my motorcycle. But I'd love to see as many of you there as possible. I'll be chatting about everything to do with cameras on board your motorcycle, camera settings, camera placement, 360 cameras, drones, and of course that all-important question, how best to capture audio whilst you're vlogging on board your motorcycle. And you don't have to be a YouTuber to glean any information from this chat. You can be a solo rider just out there enjoying the ride with you, your camera, and all of the information I'm going to give you about how to capture it correctly. So hopefully I'll see you there. Saturday the 27th of June, 10:50 in the morning, Royal Enfield Himalayan Masterclass stage for 40 minutes.